Want to speak real Turkish from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at turkishclass101.com.
Hey guys, I'm Seda. Welcome to turkishclass101.com. Today we'll talk about shopping tips and phrases. You may be a tourist in Turkey, or you may think to live in Turkey, so you want to know what's going on here, what are the terminologies, how we shop. So I'll give you some tips and some sample examples. What is that? Some samples of shopping sentences, let me put it that way. So let's start. First of all, you can use credit card most of the places, but watch out the American Express card. So you may not use it everywhere. But MasterCard and Visa card, they are very, very widely used. So you'll be okay with that. And in touristic places, you may use euros, dollars, and things like that. But in regular neighborhoods, nobody will, nobody can take the foreign money. So make sure that you change the money to Turkish liras. That's what we use, Turkish liras. And the rates are always changing, so check it out, even daily changing. So check the rates and get some local money, okay? So about shopping, we have shopping malls, and shopping malls are, I think, most the same everywhere. We have some open shopping malls, regular closed shopping malls, and in shopping malls there are the brands that everybody knows, and some Turkish brands and some, brands that, like, let me not give you a brand name, I was going to say, but that's a place that everybody knows, so there's nothing to say there. I think in shopping malls, in every shop, you can use credit card, so you'll be okay. And if you want to use cash, you can also use cash, but it's nothing to add there, nothing to give Turkish information about there. But in neighborhoods, for example, me, I don't shop in shopping malls a lot. We have our neighborhoods where we live. Generally basic things we buy from our neighborhood. For example, we have kasabs, the butchers. Every neighborhood generally has their own kasabs, and people know their kasabs, butchers, and it's a nice thing to do, that you go to butcher, they know you, they know what kind of meat and things you like. You can call and they can send it home, and it's not just shopping, but it's a relationship. So at least I try to keep that, and with these kind of things, a lot of Turkish homes do that. I know that we don't go to big malls and things like that to get our daily needs. And another thing we have in our neighborhoods is bakkals. Bakkal is like a small shop that sells bread, like those kind of daily food, and the cigarettes and papers, newspapers, magazines, things like that. In every neighborhood there's at least one bakkal. So if you need something, chips, things like that, candies, chocolates, you can go to bakkal and buy them. You don't need to go to a big market. But we also have those big markets. Carrefour and Migros are I think the biggest ones that you can find everywhere in Turkey. So let me check. Oh, we have fırın. Fırın is bakery. It's very important for us because we like to get our fresh bread, especially during Ramadan. We have some kind of bread. It's like pita bread, but not like pita bread. It's a bread. It's soft and very delicious. It's like this, round. Pide, we call it. And during Ramadan, friends are making pides, and people actually, before the sun goes down, everybody try, because they freshly bake it, everybody wait for their turn to get their pides. You may see long lines outside friends during Ramadans to get freshly baked, yummy pide. So we have those, and we have dükkans. that we call dükkan is a shop. We have different kind of dükkans we have streets and we have little shops. For example, in Istanbul, in Kadıköy, in Bağdat Caddesi, in a lot of places, even if you go to 2 blocks away, you'll find a street with a lot of shops on it. You can find electrician, I don't know, the telecommunication shop, or the bakery, this and that. And this is like an open mall, but it's not a mall, it's a street. So you can see those kind of dükkans. And generally they are very cheaper than the malls. So people tend to shop from there. Let me check. Ooh, I remember talking about this in another video. I don't remember which one, but we have pazars. Pazar? I was talking about it when I was talking about days. Pazar normally means Sunday, pazar. But pazar also means these local farmers markets. So in each district they have their own day. For example, Tuesday here, Wednesday here, Saturday here. We have pazar here in Tuesdays. And in those pazars they are even sell clothes, shoes, things like that. And especially you can find fresh vegetables and fruits, and they're generally fresher and cheaper, so people tend to go to pazars, do their shopping and come back. In my old apartment, pazar was setting up just one street from my house, so it was really easy for me. So I was just, we have pazar arabası. If I can find a picture, I will put here somewhere. Pazar arabası. So you get your pazar arabası, the cartwheel, I don't know, something like that, and you do your shopping and you come back. It's like 5 minutes to your house. It's really easy, fresh and cheap. I like it, but where I live now, there's no pazar close to me. I'm very sad. So I shop online. Doesn't feel the same. Anyway, you can do that as well. With the big markets especially, you can shop online. They bring your stuff home, everything you can bring it home, especially during these corona times. But also with your local shops, as I told you before, you can call your fırın, bakkal or kasap, and you can order something and they will bring it home. That's good. Okay, so let's talk about some questions. How can you use them? And this lesson. Okay, for example, buralarda eczane var mı? Is there pharmacy around here? Buralarda eczane var mı? Buralarda eczane var mı? I forgot to talk about this, but in every neighborhood we have pharmacies and you won't have a problem finding a pharmacy. So, for example, you want to ask where is the nearest shopping mall? En yakın alışveriş merkezi nerede? En yakın alışveriş merkezi nerede? En yakın means the nearest. En yakın alışveriş merkezi nerede? And we have Yapı Market, hardware stores. We have big hardware stores, big brands. But as I told you before, we have those little shops, dükkans. You can find small dükkans, and in those dükkans, some of them are selling hardware stuff. So, let me see the sentence. Do you know where is the nearest hardware store? En yakın Yapı Market nerede biliyor musunuz? En yakın Yapı Market nerede biliyor musunuz? Bilmiyorum. They may say bilmiyorum, but it's very hard to see a Turkish person saying bilmiyorum. They're like, let me see. Just turn around the mosque. Every direction starts with that. I don't know why. Turn around the mosque and get lost. Okay, if you want to ask what time do you open or close today, you would say, bugün kaçta açıyorsunuz? What time do you open today? Bugün kaçta açıyorsunuz? Bugün kaçta açıyorsunuz? Or if you want to ask what time do you close today? Bugün kaçta kapıyorsunuz? Bugün kaçta kapıyorsunuz? Bugün kaçta kapıyorsunuz? Ooh, and now you're asking about the price. How much is it? That's the basic question, right? How much is it? Bu ne kadar? Bu ne kadar? Bu ne kadar? And the guy said, blah blah blah. Ooh, çok pahalı. Çok pahalı. Very expensive. Çok pahalı. Çok pahalı. Okay, you want to say, can you, would you make some discount? You would say, biraz indirim yapar mısınız? Biraz indirim yapar mısınız? Biraz indirim yapar mısınız? They would do it. The stores at shopping malls, they don't do those kind of bargains. They have their own, 10% discount, 50% discount. But in small shops, you can bargain. So let's say you want to say, if you make it 50, I'll buy. 50 yaparsan alırım. 50 yaparsan alırım. Here I don't say 50 lira. You can say 50 lira, 50 Türk lirası. We don't use Türk lirası because we are already living in Turkey. But 50 yaparsan, meaning if you make it 50, I'll buy it. 50 yaparsan alırım. So this I wanted to add. For example, if you go to a grocery store, we use kilogram for fruits and vegetables. So I want to show you how to order veggies and fruits. So let's say I want a half a kilo tomato, 2 kilos of onions. 500 gram or yarım kilo, half a kilo, 500 gram, 500 grams, same thing, different way of saying it. Yarım kilo domates ve 2 kilo soğan istiyorum. Yarım kilo domates, 2 kilo soğan istiyorum. Yarım kilo domates, 2 kilo soğan istiyorum. So, you got it and you want to learn about the price and you say, ne kadar etti? How much did it cost? Ne kadar etti? Ne kadar etti? And as I said before, for example, if you go to a shopping mall, they have their own discount. So let's say there's 10% sales in jeans. There's 10% sale in jeans. Kot pantolonlarda %10 indirim var. Kot pantolonlarda %10 indirim var. 50% %50. In English, you first say the number, then percent. In Turkish, we first say the percent, yüzde, then the number. %10, %20, %30, %40. Things like that. Okay? I hope this helped you guys. I don't know if you have questions, ask them in the comments below. And what do you like about shopping in Turkey if you already did, and what you didn't like? Leave some comments below. I will see you next time. Bye!
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.